Continuation with the previous video on ocean depth mapping. It's also important for me to show you how to do data visualization on 3D to show the 3D nature of the ocean bed in order to understand how it is. I'll be using ArcScene in this operation. With this ArcScene, so I'll have to copy this data. Paste it here, copy it and paste here. So this is the ArcScene, this is the data. For me to do proper visualization, I have to right click on the data, come to property, then click on floating on custom surface. So I'll have to change this, and maybe I'll put here like 1 to see how it will look like. So if you look at it, you see difference. You can see the slope, how it's getting deeper. So if I go further, maybe I'll change that to 3. So you can see the how it is. So you can see how the ocean bed is within coasts of the Niger Delta. So you can see the coastal region of the Niger Delta. I see the depth variation as continue going. I see the ocean bed. You can see that this part is the upland, this is the land, and you could see the variation, the depth in this place. So maybe you want to further, you can see go further to put here like 5. So you will see it how it will move. So you can see. So we can further play with it and see how it is. So you can see. So you can see the legend. You can see the results, the depth variation. So you can see how the ocean bed is. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.